Hey guys, this is James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you have a Lexus ISF and you're looking to unlock some more horsepower and get some of that precious horsepower to the wheels, we've got just what you need. Let's take a closer look. We designed this drive shaft in two different options, a 3.5-inch one-piece aluminum shaft and a 3.5-inch all-carbon shaft. Both are extremely lightweight compared to the factory two-piece design. There are many benefits to upgrading to one of these one-piece drive shafts, including getting maximum power from your transmission to the rear and not losing that power in the sloppy factory rubber joints or the center mount bearing. These drive shafts were designed to handle well over 750 horsepower. All these drive shafts get a high-speed balance to ensure zero vibration. One of the great benefits of these drive shafts is they were designed to utilize a common 1350 series U-joint, which is one of the strongest available. It makes them rebuildable should you need to down the road someday. They also include these 6061 billet aluminum adapters to allow this drive shaft to mate up with your factory flanges at the rear end and the transmission. We also include this high-grade hardware to make it a simple bolt-in installation. To learn more about these drive shafts and what else we make for the Lexus ISF, log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.